Hi, this is Ron and Sue, and we're from North Queensland. Pretty steamy in North Queensland.
Woo. A little bit hot.
Coming back from our 2023 caravan trip, we had a whole heap of ideas and plans for our caravan. The list is huge, and it's little jobs and a couple of big ones.
Well, we're trying to get ready for our 6-monthly trip around Western Australia, which we hope to start in the beginning of April. Guess what? It's now the beginning of February and jobs completed, zero.
Zero, next to nothing. So our first project, which was building a barbecue slide under the caravan boot, or in the caravan boot, pretty much in the planning phase, has nearly ended in divorce. We're going to have to think about how we're going to do this. Ron, you don't think we have enough room to put a slide-in kitchen, is that right?
No. Because you've got to allow for that there. And that distance there, you've got to allow for this here. So we only got...
Well, I actually have another idea, and I don't think it's as bad as all of that. So how about we go and get a tape measure and we'll measure the hole.
Yep.
I tell you what, you take your life in your hands when you come into the boys' shed. Holy moly. She's full on. Okay, so apparently there's tape measures in these drawers.
Nope.
A tape measure. Will I make it out? Will I trip over something? So what are we doing here, Ron?
Making sure the floor out already.
Oh well. It's only been in there 6 years. It's not too bad. And we haven't even used it and the screw fell out. Okay, got the tape measure. It's time for measuring. So my idea is actually to have two narrow runners, and you might have a narrow platform.
No.
And the platform can be big enough to hold the gas stove, and also there's enough room on it for the barbecue.
Are you dreaming?
So I take the barbecue off and put the burner on. And then we turn away. Doesn't matter.
Your concerns?
Or eliminating boot space.
But don't we gain boot space here?
Just that bit there.
Do we gain?
You lose 3/4 of that over there. You can't put that thing and the burner on. That won't fit there. You got to cut that beam out.
What about if we made an L-shaped thing?
No.
Well, I think the issue is whether that will fit here anyway. So that will pull out of there now, will it?
Looks like it.
Oh, wait a minute. That's stuck in there, isn't it? That's actually not set in there. Right. Let's see how that fits in there.
Proved wrong again.
The other one doesn't. Oh yes, it does.
Proved wrong again.
Just. We have enough room. Just.